Nice. Good snap. Selling half there. You can see why we're using this, right? Good. This is where we could start seeing big candles here. There we go. Look at that. I don't understand how we're still down on this, on these contracts, but all right. We got to get out. I think I got screwed there. All right, fellas, back on Tuesday, second week of February, and this morning we got the CPI release, which was lower, but also higher than expected, which is weird. Big downside cause because of that in the market, as you can see, and we are hitting the bottom of the range on a few things here. So one of them is going to be Meta. We're literally tagging some of the lows of it right now, and then also Amazon as well, bouncing right off of it. Remember, CPI days, especially on monthly expiration week, can get a little bit weird to trade. So patience is going to be a virtue this week. And if you guys are enjoying the videos, don't hesitate to drop a like, drop a sub. We're so close to 2K subs, guys. That would be so clutch if we could hit that. With that being said, let's get into the trades, baby. And we are open. I wish Meta was anywhere above this level, but it's hammering through it right now, obviously. Man, SPY looks so good for downside, but I just cannot get myself to take it because of this wick that needs to fill. But I feel like it wants to do an opening range. At least just snap it. Look at that. I'll try it out. I'll get into SPY shorts here. I'm liking that wick. Just looking to see if SPY wants to just tag this, and then honestly, it may just snap right back up, but I'm just looking for a scalp under that. Nice. Let's give me a little bit more. Nice. Good snap there. Very nice. Okay. All right, new 5. Beautiful. That needs a wick on the top. Here we go. Maybe I'll sell half. Probably do that. Here we go. Opening range. Give it to me. Nice. Nice. Good snap. Selling half there. Got 8 left. Do we get any more continuation? Remember, this snaps up. I mean, it's going to hit back up here. So, but just looking to see if the market wants to stay irrational for a little bit. That's good. And also, we have levels to hit to the downside. We have a long ways to go. New 1. Still kind of holding above it. Do we get that drop? Come on, SPY. Come on, sellers. Volume is starting to pick up on the downside. There we go. There we go. It's kind of crazy how the SPY is doing this and Q's is nowhere near it. Come on, hold down there. Hold down there. New 1. Closes under. Now this is it. Come on now. There we go. There's a drop. Thank you. Let's go under that magical 80 level. There we go. Now the downside's in, baby. Come on, SPY. One more surge down. I'm going to sell half of my current position. Come on. Give me one more snap. Nice. Just keep the bleeding straight red right now. I love it. Nice. Selling 4 down there. Beautiful. Let's try and search for the $0.50. It's a little bit too big. A little bit too strong. I'm going to take it off. All right. 221 on that trade. Very nice. And a good sell, looks like. I think SPY is honestly going to tag all the way back up here. So, but I can see the momentum. I saw the shift in volume. It was off the 9. It was a hammer candle off of that. And then as soon as we got the candle under candle, I took it. Looked for the break of these wicks into the low of the range. Risk was very small, just over the 9. Great trade. All right, fellas, back on Wednesday. Market trying to recover from the CPI move yesterday, and it's doing that pretty well. Few main watches today. One of them is going to be NVIDIA. I mean, isn't it always NVIDIA? This is unreal. Kind of doing a gap up. I like to see if it wants to break the high of yesterday, put in a good consolidation, and also Netflix. Again, hitting the top of this trend. So let's see. Who knows? Let's get it. And we are open. Netflix literally opening up right at it. Oh, man. I want to take NVIDIA so bad. Opening range up. I think it could hit it. I'm going to take it here. Taking NVIDIA long. I'm fine with the risk. New 1. Bollinger's sticking up again. SMCI is going parabolic here, so I think NVIDIA might just want to follow suit, break the high. Maybe go for that 750. It was a great move above the MAs, and there we go. Target 1 is done. We want to see some continuation. There we go. NVIDIA's just been freaking crazy, man. Nice. Good extension there. Now the Qs. I mean, Q's impressive, honestly. Yeah, we don't want to drop back in the range, though. All right, nice. Good volume as well. All right. Come on, keep us going. Nice. Red to green there. SMCI at 849. 850. Hit 850 right now. If we get a big extension there, that should bring the semis up with it. I want to see if we can target 740. 740 is right here. Come on, hold this. We're going to stay a little bit patient because I feel like it maybe just wants this right here. We will see. We're going to say the stop is under the VWAP because that's basically the prime retest level that we want to see is at the VWAP. So we're going to use both of those as a stop. This got to hold, though. This has got to hold, NVIDIA. A little bit too strong on this dip. There we go. Decent buying off of that. All right, I like it. You can see why we're using this, right? Good. And there we go. All right, back in the game. Got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New 5. Let's see if we can turn this into a 3-bar play on the 5-minute. And there we go. And there we go. Back green, baby. Let's go. Let's break the new high. SMCI at 155. Let's hit all-time highs today in video. Screw it. Safely above now. We should be good. Buyers should be confident just to send this thing up. Nice. Nice. New high. Good. Good break there. Let's go. We get 740 now. You look awesome, bro. You look awesome. Wow. There we go. Look at the spikes. SMCI almost had 860. This is wild. There we go. Good spike. I want to see us hold above this, though. Yes. And a new 5-minute close above 740. This is wild. Now we're getting above the Bollingers. I want to see big candles now. Look at that move on the Qs as well as the SPY. I think we need a wick on the bottom, but just going parabolic here. Look at this, guys. Big topping tail there. This says a lot about you, NVIDIA, about what you do right here. Big candle down. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. It's eager to get above 740. That's good. This is where we could start seeing big candles here. There we go. Look at that. Setting up so good for the new 1 minute. New 1. Here it is. I mean, Bollingers are kind of stuffing us, but let's see what we can do. What is that? But then again, like, we need a wick on the top here, so it's got to go back up. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. All right, new 5. Maybe that's what it was waiting for. I have no idea. Do we do red to green? Very nice. Okay, that's done. Do we continue the upside? You got to be so careful here now. All right, it's doing it. A lot of room on the Bollingers again. Got to get above this high. There we go. NVIDIA. AMD strong breakout. There we go. I feel like I got to sell one pretty soon. We did ride this up really nicely. Maybe on the break is 742. I'll join one on the ask. All right, I'm going to sell one there. Can I get filled? Yes, I do. All right, $189 profit there. Whew. Let's go parabolic here. There we go. Look at NVIDIA. 740 done. I'm not liking the wicks I'm seeing actually on the 5-minute. Got to hold this area of consolidation here. And I don't feel like waiting for a pullback all the way down here. Yeah, I'm going to sell. Unfortunate. I feel like it's going to come back down here. And with the options on a monthly expiration, they're kind of decaying. So, all right. Maybe I should have waited for a close. Because they just immediately snap back up. And it's going to provide an interesting day tomorrow. That's for sure. All right, fellas, back on Thursday, and markets are basically completely reversing that CPI move we had this week, so that's a really good sign, as well as some stocks to look out for. Netflix, we've been looking at this level for so long, and tomorrow just gapped up and just went right over it, so kind of doing a retest above that now. Also, NVIDIA looking to get that all-time high again, so let's get it. And we are open. Actually, let's go Netflix here. So it did fill the gap of yesterday. But the real top of the range is at yesterday's close. And it's gunning for it. Meta, what's going on with this? Look at that for an opening candle. I know we had the flag break here, but I really wasn't expecting much out of this name. What is going on today? Does Meta maybe want to do an opening range down? I might try and take Meta. I'm going to take Meta. This candle is huge. I'm actually going to look for this. Any buyers that got stuck up here are going to be screwed. So I'm actually looking for this to continue all the way to the downside and get back inside this flag, which we kind of are. I don't understand how we're still down on this, on these contracts, but let's see. All right, we got to get out. I think I got screwed there. Oh, no. And we hit max loss. I'm so pissed about that. I didn't think these contracts were moving that much. What the heck is that? So we just kind of threw away all of the profits for the week, really. That's unfortunate, man. And look at it now. Look at it now. I can't believe it. You hate to see that.